Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Let's zoom in a bit. So, continued rally got above that key level, and we really did close above it. Smack dab into the 50-period exponential moving average, and that was pretty much the high for today. So, continued to move up. Next key level we talked about is this 324.73. I'm just going to call it 325. A close above there, then I'll be watching for to hit the 75% retracement level, and the bottom of this prior support becoming resistance. Really nice lineup, so that's a really good place if we do get a continued rally to definitely move up stops. And then the next area is really the top of this congestion range and the gap fill. Those are the areas higher we're watching. It now is in oversold condition, so would not be surprised to see a pullback. We don't have the rotation zone in our favor yet, so we'll be watching first level support now back at this prior resistance becoming support right around 315 to 316. Below that, be watching again down around the 306 area. I'm going to start watching for any topping patterns on shorter term charts, especially if we don't get above the 62.5% retracement. That's key now for my continued rally, because on anything we do, that's the line in the sand. Well, generally, when you get above that on a closing basis, you can then watch for the probability shift to further rallies. If it stalls out anywhere between the 50 and the 62.5 and then rolls back over below the 50, then we start watching for the bigger pullbacks. So that's really all we have for Tesla. We can take a quick look at the weekly while we're here. Just weekly's not anywhere near oversold, right in the middle of the range and right at the flat rotation zone. So if the rally continues, then we'll get the rotation zone back in the favor on the weekly, which will go to more bullish mode. But if it turns and sells off, then it will not cross, and it will stay on a weekly basis in somewhat bearish mode. So we just have to see if this pulls it up, because you'll get the 8 crossing the 21, which then we got a double cross pattern, which is something we've talked about in prior videos. Not going to go into it right here. So that's what's key. So the two levels you should watch now is see if this 315, 316 area holds, or if we get a close above 325. Those are the two key levels we're watching for to determine the next major direction. Should we start watching for further upside potential, especially with that gap fill, or pull back because it couldn't sustain in the GAN rotation zone back down? So we have for you, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.